IELTS Speaking Part 2 topic. Describe an activity you like to do at home. What is the activity you enjoy doing at home? How often do you do it? Why do you enjoy this activity? How does it benefit you?
One activity I thoroughly enjoy doing at home is cooking. It's not just a necessity for me, but a delightful pastime that allows me to express creativity and unwind. I typically engage in this activity 3 to 4 times a week, especially on weekends when I have more free time to experiment with new recipes and techniques. Cooking brings me immense joy for several reasons. Firstly, it provides a sense of accomplishment when I prepare a dish that not only looks appetizing but also tantalizes the taste buds. The process of selecting fresh ingredients, chopping, sautéing, and garnishing is almost therapeutic, offering an escape from the daily grind. Secondly, I enjoy exploring different cuisines, which broadens my understanding of global cultures. It's fascinating how a simple recipe can tell so much about a region's history and traditions. Another reason I'm drawn to this activity is that it allows me to bond with my family. Occasionally, I involve them in the process, turning it into a fun collaborative effort. Sharing the food I've made gives me a deep sense of gratification, knowing that I've contributed to the joy and health of my loved ones. The benefits of cooking are manifold. On a personal level, it improves my dexterity and sharpens my multitasking skills. On a broader level, it promotes healthier eating habits since I have complete control over what goes into my meals. Additionally, cooking at home saves money compared to dining out, making it a pragmatic choice. Moreover, I find cooking to be a catalyst for mindfulness. When I'm immersed in the process, I'm entirely in the moment, which helps alleviate stress and rejuvenate my mind. It's almost like meditation, but with the added reward of a delicious meal at the end. In conclusion, cooking is much more than an activity for me. It's a symphony of creativity, relaxation, and connection. It enriches my life in ways that go beyond the plate, making it an indispensable part of my routine. I genuinely believe that everyone should explore this skill, as it has the potential to transform not just your diet but also your overall well-being.
IELTS Speaking Part 3. Why do you think it's important to have hobbies at home?
Hobbies are essential for maintaining a work-life balance and improving mental well-being. Engaging in activities you enjoy helps reduce stress and allows you to explore your creativity. For instance, hobbies like cooking, painting, or gardening can be both relaxing and productive. They also keep you engaged and prevent boredom, especially during leisure hours at home. Moreover, they offer an opportunity to develop new skills and spend quality time with family or even by yourself.
Do you think hobbies should be productive or just enjoyable?
Hobbies can be either productive or simply enjoyable, depending on the individual's preferences. For some, hobbies like cooking or knitting provide tangible outcomes, making them feel accomplished. Others might prefer activities like watching movies or listening to music, which help them relax without a specific purpose. Ultimately, the purpose of a hobby is to bring joy and fulfillment, whether it involves learning a skill or just having fun.
How has technology influenced activities people do at home?
Technology has significantly transformed home activities by providing convenience and variety. For example, people can now learn cooking from online tutorials or practice yoga through virtual classes. It also allows hobbies like gaming, video editing, or digital art to flourish. However, it has also made some people overly dependent on screens, reducing physical activities. While technology offers endless possibilities, it's important to maintain a balance between digital and offline hobbies.
Do you think children should be encouraged to have hobbies at home? Why?
Yes, children should definitely be encouraged to pursue hobbies at home. hobbies help them discover their interests and develop their creativity. For example, activities like painting, crafting, or baking can improve their motor skills and patience. Moreover, hobbies teach children time management and responsibility as they dedicate themselves to something outside of schoolwork. Encouraging hobbies also helps limit their screen time and promotes a healthier lifestyle.
How do hobbies improve mental health?
Hobbies act as a stress buster, providing an outlet to escape from daily pressures. Activities like cooking, gardening, or yoga can induce a state of mindfulness, helping individuals feel more relaxed and focused. They also create a sense of purpose and achievement, boosting self-esteem. Furthermore, hobbies that involve physical activity or creative expression can release endorphins, enhancing overall happiness. Consistently engaging in enjoyable activities can lead to long-term mental well-being.
What are some common hobbies people enjoy at home in your country?
In my country, common home-based hobbies include cooking, knitting, gardening, and playing indoor games like chess. Watching movies or TV shows and listening to music are also very popular. Additionally, many people enjoy digital hobbies like video gaming or online content creation. Activities like yoga and meditation are gaining popularity due to their physical and mental health benefits. These hobbies cater to people of all age groups, offering something for everyone.
How do cultural factors influence hobbies at home?
Cultural factors play a big role in shaping the hobbies people engage in at home. For instance, in countries with strong culinary traditions, cooking and baking might be more popular. In regions with a rich history of crafts, activities like embroidery or pottery are common. Festivals and traditions often inspire creative hobbies, such as making decorations or preparing traditional dishes. Cultural norms also dictate leisure preferences, like watching local films or engaging in community-based activities at home.
Can hobbies at home help people become more disciplined? How?
Yes, hobbies at home can cultivate discipline by requiring regular effort and dedication. For instance, cooking often involves planning, preparation, and attention to detail, which are essential life skills. Similarly, practicing an instrument or a craft at home demands time management and perseverance. These habits gradually instill a sense of routine and accountability. Even leisure activities, when pursued consistently, teach individuals to prioritize and balance their responsibilities effectively. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.